Yo, what's up, hackers? How we doing? Let's let Discord know that we're streaming real quick, and we'll just jump into it. Let me move my water bottle because now I can't see my monitor. If you haven't read the title, we're trying to fix Onlyrat. It's been a little bit since I touched the project. Probably been like, I don't know, a year maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I'll check up on it in a second. Let's let Discord know that we're live. Here, what we'll have to do is we'll have to get the stream link. So I'll do YouTube. There you go. See, now I did that, and then all of a sudden, U6 wants to let the server know live on YouTube. Here, I'll just do eyes. Word. Cool. I'll wait for a second so I can get some water. You guys can fill the chat up a little bit. Okay. So, on the off chance you don't know what Onlyrat is, allow me to show you. Here, we want to close this. Open this. Yo, hi. What's up, what's up, what's up? Alright, so I think we can go on the GitHub for cosmetics, yes. And yeah, Onlyrat. So Onlyrat is like our second most popular project that we've put out. It is a remote access tool used to remotely access computers. Keep in mind that, you know, stay ethical with it. It is strictly for educational purposes. Like, we actually built the whole process, like went through the whole process of building it together, so you guys can learn a little bit more about like networking and other stuff. Is a DWM. Oh yeah, guys, I riced my my machine up a little bit. New wallpaper. Here, I run a little NeoFetch. I did a custom NeoFetch now. Linux Mint with either EWM, Terminator with the conch shell. Subscribe to Cosmetic Cybersecurity. It says it right there, so yeah, it has to be true. But yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. You guys will see me in the new terminal and new shell a lot. But yeah, I did change the bar. I used to use Polybar. Now I use I'm back to i3 blocks because I think it's just a little bit more simplistic, a little bit more hackery, a little bit more my vibe. So yeah, that's why we went back to it. But yeah, Onlyrat. There's I think there's an article on it. Cool. Yeah, thank you. My dot files are on my GitHub, not the cosmetic GitHub, but my actual GitHub page. Yeah, this one. Dot files right there. So if you guys need to copy my config, go for it. Here, I'll drop that in chat. I'll just start dropping stuffs in chat. So based. How bar on the top is named. It's called i3 blocks. i3 blocks. Yeah. All right, but yeah. So Onlyrat, right? You guys should know what this is. Get a load of this nerd. I'm saying. If you guys don't know what this is, somehow, like I said, it's a remote access tool. We built it way back, probably like early 2022, right? Yep, January 7th, 2022. A week into the first year of January of 2022. It's about to be 2024, which is crazy. But yeah, basically there's two ways to install this thing, right? There's the from GitHub installation, which is a local installation. Where's the picture? There it is. So yeah, two ways to install this thing. You got from GitHub, which is the local connection at the top here, and it will install it from GitHub server and establish a local connection between you and the target computer. So you can, as long as you're in the same network, you can access that computer remotely, code execution, remote file upload and download, a bunch of other stuff. But it's okay. It's okay. Onlyrat stole my bank account. Got you. It stole your entire bank account. And then this is the from VPS installation, which was supposed to work, but apparently you guys have made it very apparent to me that it does not work. As here, I think there's issues. VPS broken. So yeah, I put VPS installation broken. I need to reconfigure the client. Blah blah blah. And then they said, please do 12 hours ago. This person got to get. There's been a lot of requests for me to fix this thing. Even like if we go on the video for the project, I gotta find it. So what's the point of this? We're fixing my shitty code. That's that's the point of the stream. The point of the tool is just no, it's an introductory proof of concept malware. Yeah, if we go on the YouTube video. All right, we're not playing this. We're not playing this at all. I can't watch my own videos for the record. Like I can't. But like yeah, if we search for VPS, please do VPS install. Like there's all this stuff on the VPS install. I mean, what's the point of Onlyrat? Does it replace an already existing tool? No, not really. It's its own tool. Is it FUD? But yeah, basically that's what we're doing today. We're fixing it because you guys want to use the tool, and I don't want to fix the code. But now that I started streaming, and I'm on, like I'm being held accountable by you all for me to finish this project. So we're going to finish this freaking project. All right. Now enough stalling. Let's just jump into it. All right. I got this Windows VM here. It might not look like a Windows VM. I got DWM on Windows. That's right. How you feel about that? Huh? Huh? That's how you know I'm a Linux user. All right. No. I'll probably end up disabling this because it's probably going to be more hassle than it's worth. Let me go on. 8. We need to do Ubuntu server. Yo guys, what's up, dude? And then we'll move this to 9. All right. Let this old thing boot up. So let me explain what I'm doing so that you guys can follow along, right? So basically in that little picture of the local install and the virtual private server install, I'm trying to set up this local virtual private server. No, I'm just setting up a local server so that way we can do some testing, because I'm not gonna try to configure this on my actual VPS, because you guys are going to try to like use it to like, you know, get like the SSH key I'm going to upload and all this stuff. So we're just going to do it locally and be safe. Okay. I don't need you guys hassling me. All right. Blue Cosmo. Hello? Bro, this server sucks. Disappointed using PowerShell. Ew. I know. Blue Cosmo. There you go. All right, lit. So, yeah, let's get the IP address of this bad boy. How do we do that? Info, NIC. So .122.3. That's its byte. All right. Let's open up a terminal. Do we have a proof of concept directory? We do. Look at me. I stay 10 steps ahead. All right. Vim. Do we have anything in here? All right, cool. Vim notes. What we're going to do is just do VPS and give it, oh my God, I can't type this thing. And then Windows. And we're going to have to get the IP address of that Windows machine. So info, and I see, and then this thing right here. Bruh. There you go. Copy. Can I just do that? Oh, sweet. Well, why did it paste twice? I probably hit number 2. Ew, local? Why are you using Ubuntu? For this, I'm just using Ubuntu server because I just need the server. Party tonight? Always, dude, always. Why don't you give us chances to hack you? You guys can hack us. Go to cosmodiumcs.com/admin. There you go. Get into here. /admin, or there's also a WP admin. There you go. These are your 2 opportunities to hack us. Go for it. Have fun. I think only Monty knows the joke, but it's all good. All right. Anyway, what the hell are we doing? We're getting Onlyrat. That's right. That's what we're doing. I need to get a Discord token, don't I? Or a Discord webhook. Let me boot up Discord off of screen. Is that actually a hackable site? Would you get hacking it? They're just Easter eggs. They're just Easter eggs. I mean, you can hack it, but to this day, haven't cracked. Haven't cracked /admin. That's funny. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm not even gonna lie. All right, yeah, we need to get Onlyrat on our target computer. So let's go ahead and get Columbus. So dev, if I could type. Damn, there's a lot of stuff. All right, you know what? CD into proof of concept. See, this is what we love. Proof of concept. See, I forgot to turn do not disturb off. Let me do that real quick. Yeah, because I see you, Cyber. CD proof of concept, and then Trojan embed, blah blah blah. Okay, yeah, we can work with this. Git clone. Actually, I think it's already in my clipboard. So yeah, clone Onlyrat. All right, CD into. Actually, we're going to move Onlyrat. Oh, that's interesting. The README still gives you onlyrat.git instead of whatever. Move this to mark 01 Onlyrat. We're going to need to fix that. Bruh. Yeah. All right. We'll get pull. Vim. README. Notice that get pull. You guys always forget to do that, don't you? Get. Oh. /.get. There you go. Mark 01 Onlyrat.get. Okay. And I'm curious. Vim installation .sh. Yeah. This is probably broken. Like, now that I really realize it. Well, we saw my post in Discord. What do you think about the idea of a 2PT messenger? I think that's pretty cool. Keep working on the project. I'd love to keep tracking on it. Cosmo, don't leak the token in this project. So will meme you if you do. Yeah, he will. He will. All right, let me make like okay, so I think I'm looking at a different screen right now because I need to make sure that I have a Discord webhook I can work with. Because literally last time I recorded, like not last time, but one of the more recent times I did a stream for Onlyrat, there was a guy who got my webhook. He just started like spamming memes into my Discord. It was rough. Integrations, webhooks. Okay, yep, I found it. All right, where were we? Back to the business or whatever. So what we need to do is basically, we actually don't need to install Onlyrat just yet. What we need to do is set up the VPS connection. You know what I mean? So what we're going to do is we're going to go onto the payloads. Actually, no. Oh, no, that's right. It was payloads. And then the g2.ps1. And we're basically just going to install Onlyrat. Yeah. Raw. All right, cool. So we're going to go to Windows Virtual Machine, curl.exe, this bad boy, and we'll just output it to install.ps1. Let's go full screen on this guy just so you can see it a little bit better. All right. No, my name has nothing to do with bread. That's funny. I had never even made that connection before. Vim install .ps1 and Vim install .ps1. Word. I basically just made my Windows machine into a Linux box. It's funny. Like on an initial look, you could probably get away with saying this is Linux. If you ask me. All right, so we need to, this is the random generator, and we need to make an actual password for this thing. RPL is the name of the function, which is right here. So we'll just call our password. We'll give it malware. Actually, no. We'll give it infected. Yeah, that's so cool. All right, and the rest of this should be good. This is the most important part right here, like this and this. Oh, damn. Okay. Okay, we don't need any of this. We don't need to send anything to a webhook right now. This is creating the log file right there. And we don't need the log file right now. We don't need this, we don't need this, we don't need this. We'll need the SSH stuff. We won't need when logged on, special accounts. Oh, this is what hides the user. New item property path. This registry key with the name of SQB for Onlyrat. Oh, so yeah, this is hiding that that registry key. All right, yeah, so we don't need any of this stuff. I'm just stripping down the malware a little bit. We actually don't even need this function anymore. Right, yeah. Cool. All right, and that should be it. That should be all we need. All right. So, yeah. Dev cd into POC. Cool. So that's good. Let me think for a second. Bro is a PowerShell superhero. I am far from that. Oh man, I hate PowerShell. I need to get back on the PowerShell grind. I need to refine my skills in this space again. Cause I don't know, it's probably not my forte. What am I doing? We're running it. We're running the install script. Guys, I'm so sorry. What's going on? Permission denied. Why? Do we need admin? How do you open PowerShell as admin in here? Oh, there you go. Run as administrator. That makes sense. That makes sense. Wouldn't have guessed that. All right. Where the... Yeah, this thing is freaking broken, dude. Let me be entirely real with y'all for like 2 seconds. What the hell just happened to my VM? No. No. Did I do something? All right, Control Alt, delete. That's manager. All right, it's been fun. It's been fun. It's time to get rid of that. DWM.exe. Yeah, terminate. Man, what the hell, man? I honestly have no idea what's going on, guys. I'm not gonna lie. File Explorer. Cosmos doesn't mess with Bungie. I missed that. That's why we have Windows. Bro, look at this, bro. I hate Windows. All right, reboot. Reboot. We're just rebooting, man. I hate Windows so much. This is why I love Linux, man. Look how clean. You can't do this type of stuff in Windows, man. Just look at this operating system. Look at this. Do you have NeoFetch in Windows? Huh, pal? I don't think so. It's a slow freaking machine, bro. I think it's because I'm streaming. Just Control Delete to get to Task Manager. What the hell, man? Let's do Control Shift Escape. Really? Bro, I'm a freaking Windows noob, I guess. I hack Windows computers, not use them. Y'all have to understand, I've been running Linux as a main for the past, like, I don't know, 4 years maybe? What the hell is going on, dude? Alright, just... What the... Force off. Yes. Oh my gosh. Holy... Alright. Reboot. Can we get some music? Yeah, dude. Yeah. Yeah, that's valid. Do we have royalty-free beats? Royalty-free beats. Let me lower down the I have to put my headphones on so that way it doesn't echo into the what do you call it? So it doesn't... Oh my god. I don't know what the words are, dude. Bro, my brain is like shutting down. Like my brain shuts down every time I try to stream. So bad. Alright, let me connect to my headphones real quick. We put on Can. Who's that? I swear, if my stream gets demonetized because of you, no. All right, let's check out this playlist. I don't hear anything. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Am I tripping? You had on Spotify for what? Oh, yeah. Sorry, I did not connect that. I was searching it up for. I think a friend was showing me a song. Okay, the music isn't working. Huh. Cause that works. Oh, I know why. Okay. You should be able to hear it. You guys hear that? There you go. Yeah, it was a problem with OBS, not a problem with my computer, which is weird. Someone sent a Discord message. Here you guys do your clip before it just lowers the volume of his headphones. Y'all are out to get me, huh? Okay, Windows is back. It's quiet? All right, I'll turn it up. I'll turn it up. All right, let me know how that is. Okay, Windows, Linux. So do we have open? Oh, where's my mouse? SSH sudo service. Or I think it's SSH start. Just in case if it wasn't running, it should be running now. It's a lot of work memorizing shortcuts. Run Windows terminal as full admin. You are a genius. You are a genius. All right. First things first, we quit DWM. We don't like it anymore. I thought it was cool. It's not cool. It's just. Cool. All right. Let's listen to what Matsu said and run the whole thing as administrator. Yes. All right, now we're talking. See the proof of concept. All right, now we can vim into the install. Oop, whoops, I meant nvim. Bro, you know what pisses me off, bro? That Windows is just so ghetto with this command line. Bro, like none of the shortcuts work. Like hit Control A in your Windows terminal and see what happens. All right. Cool. Change the password again. We're making it subscribe because you guys should subscribe. All right, and then put it in quotes, just in case. Okay. So the CD or hold on, dev CD proof of concept. Okay. So /install.ps1. Oh wait, hold on. I wanted to take a snapshot before I did this, but it's fine. It's fine. We don't need snapshots. Whoever needed snapshots on that. Here, let me just close out of it. Let me take a quick snapshot. Before Mark 1. Okay. You should close your terminal and just right click on the taskbar down below. Yes! I know. I'm streaming, okay? I'm not thinking straight. I got the camera on me. Everything I do will be judged by the internet. I'm waiting for the comment section just to pour in. I know. You're right. You guys are smarter than me, okay? I'm sorry. Alright, before Mark 1. Alright, where were we? Let's get crack-a-lackin'. Dev, CD into proof of concept. It's been a while. It's been like a good half hour and I'd barely gotten started with this. Flame shot, it's a screenshotting tool. Alright, / install. While we're here, let's make a see if we can make like a, what do you call it? Like a roadmap. Workflow. Alright. We're fixing the VPS today. We'll add this over there. Doing. Okay. So, what do we need to do? We need to get SSH on Winbox. Alright. And then I'm not judging, just saying because Monty mentioned you're not getting full perms. Oh, gotcha. We'll see. Get SSH on Winbox. Establish connection between boxes. Once they have the connection between them, we need to start. Oh, okay. Between the boxes, as in. Yeah, my machine to their machine, I guess. Doesn't really matter as long as we can get SSH. SSH key for the VPS, not an actual VPS, but it'll work. And then when we have that SSH routing, and then we'll just have to automate in script. Someone mentioned that I'm calling a function wrong in my program, so we'll see how that's going. Alright, but in the meantime, this is what I'm doing. Let's get started. Alright. Onlyrat true, temporary local admin. Alright, so I didn't hide him on the registry or anything, so he should just be right here. Or $2 donation for Cosmo where I can get those cool hoodies. I'm glad you asked. Truly. If you head over to cosmodiumcs.com/cyberstore, you guys can check out our awesome apparel. Ignore those logos. Yeah, check it out actually. It's you guys can support the channel, and there's some pretty funny meme clothing on here. Actually, if you don't want to buy clothes, you guys can actually just support us for $1 a month. That's it, $1 a month. And get exclusive videos, articles, resources. If you want to be a G, head over to this plan. Get some exclusive courses too. But yeah, I'll drop this link in the chat because Mati brought it up. See, that wasn't even a paid advertisement. That was, well, I guess it was a paid advertisement because Mati paid for it, huh? Back to the grind. And how's the music, by the way? It's not too loud or anything? Just making sure for you guys. Alright, what are we doing? Right, SSH. Guys, this is what we're doing. SSH, holy crap. Alright, temp. We need to go to Cosmo. We need to go one directory up. We need, how do, oh my god, this PC. It's fine. Users. Onlyrat isn't here. I don't see him. Does he exist? You know what? There's only one way to find out. Alright. So, what we're going to have to do is SSH Onlyrat at 192.168.122. Dot the Windows box is .11, so we'll do .11. Yes, the password should be subscribe. Oh, there you go. Do you have courses that teach us the amazing things that you do? Some dude in the back. I love you, Matu. Oh my god. CustomlyCS.com/courses, I believe. Courses. Is that right? Yeah, there you go. You guys can check out the videos that we put out as well as awesome courses. Just so you know. If you guys are trying to get into malware development, I have a Discord for API for malware course, $25. Windows internals right here. The rest is free. So go crazy, go nuts, go sicko. I'll also be dropping this in the chat. We're making Onlyrat have a gender. Yeah, that was it. All my projects are going to get a gender. They're usually females if they're no, I'm playing. All right, so we need to get. Well, we have SSH running, right? And we can list. Dir. This is freaking Windows. I'm trying to think. Oh nope, it's still Windows. CLS. So that was the first step done, right? We got SSH working. That's what we wanted to do. We could say we're done with that. Establish connection between boxes. Okay, that's, you know, man, we're on the grind right here. Done. All done and dusted. All right, so now we need to make an SSH key for the VPS. Now, I'm trying to remember, do we have Onlyrat on our on this machine? That's it. Onlyrat. Oh, we do. Okay. CD into client, or hold on. Clients. Onlyrat Cosmo.rat. Okay. So help. We can actually quit vim the Cosmo.rat, and we'll just update everything. So it's .11, and then the password is now subscribe. Okay, so now we should be able to do Onlyrat Cosmo.rat and then or console, which is to connect to the target. Boom! Bada beam, bada boom. PowerShell. Alright, there you go. Now we have remote access to the machine again. What we're going to need to do is Onlyrat. Oh, we're still on Onlyrat. Yeah, hold on, help. Cool. So now we need to set up the VPS connection. Let's try setting up the actual, configuration I already put in here for VPSs and see where it goes wrong. I think that's our best move. If you don't know what I'm doing, I guess just follow along. So, here. Where's the... How do you install the, Onlyrat tech help? Defig, download Onlyrat configuration file. Set up VPS. That sounds right. So Onlyrat tech S. Alright, what is the VPS user? Alright, let's change my password for this virtual machine real quick. Sudo bash passwd blue Cosmo. Okay, so now if I do Cosmo, new password. All right, cool. What's good? What's good? Oh Lord. Ah. Hold on. I paused the music because it just got really loud in my ears for a second. All right. I'll turn it back on in a second. All right, that's a good volume. How's that volume? Okay. While you guys tell me about the volume, because I'm gonna keep asking about it, because I'm self-conscious about that for whatever reason. Let's keep going through this process. So the VPS user is Blue Cosmo. The IP address is 192.168.122.3. What is the VPS port? Should be 22. Is the following correct? Blue Cosmo at this address? Yes. Okay. So where does it go wrong? VPS parameters takes one positional argument, but 3 were given. Alright, let's open up CD into Mark 01 Onlyrat vim main.py. This code I know is probably disgusting. How long is this thing? 550 lines. I want to take the time to, fix Onlyrat. There's a lot of little things wrong with it. Like, the whole thing works except for this part. But there's a lot of little things that are wrong with the project, and I want to fix. For the record, I keep looking over here because that's where my display is of my face, or what you guys see is over there. So I look over there and just need to believe I should be looking over here because the camera's over here. Anyway, let's get back to work. And the IP sniffers to work on. This little heart thing is in the way of all your comments. I can't read half the words. On. Oh my gosh. Oh, any IP sniffers that work on PC. If not, G. I don't know what that last part means. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so slash VPS. Set up VPS. So let's find this function. Isn't there a way you can in Vim jump to that function? I don't know. I don't know enough Vim. Oh my gosh. Slash setup. Alright. Alright, there you go. So this is the function. Set up VPS. Is the following correct? So VPS parameters, port, VPS, and user. Confirm. VPS parameters. Where's the VPS parameters function? Oh my god. How the hell did I do this code? Do I still do bug bounty? I've never done bug bounty in my life. Most have downloaded don't work properly. Oh, you're asking if I have any I can recommend. No, sorry. IP sniffer? I don't even know what that means. If you're ever too confused with Vim, maybe try Micro. It's like Nano, but with more features. Let's check it out. You can use regex. Weird. I'm very confused right now. Sorry, what the hell is VPS? Parameters. User VPS parameters. It's calling a function, right? Is it talking about parameters? arg0? What do you mean I've never done bug bounty in my life? I mean, I haven't. Adam has been on the channel and he's done bug bounty, so you might be thinking of him. But I have never done bug bounties before. Am I tripping? Is this supposed to be Yeah. Result equals input header. What's the result? Why does it say VPS parameters? Slash VPS parameters. Oh, I see. Oh, it's down here. Yeah, are these supposed to be input? Because you get the user, the address, and the port, then all this, then VPS, blah, 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 confirm, you call VPS parameters with the port VPS. Is that the issue? What we're going to do is run it in Python 3. Yeah, all right, so vim.get ignore. We're also going to add cosmo.rat. All right, so what we're going to do is copy // clients cosmo.rat into here. Yeah. And then vim main.py. Alright, and then what we do is open this up. Python 3 main.py. Or hold on, cat partition.sh. All right, yeah. This is what we'll do. Vim partition.sh. So we're going to delete the home onlyrat file, which I believe is the one that is if we list LA home. Should be a .onlyrat or .mark1 onlyrat. I don't know what format we use to save this thing. .onlyrat. Yeah, I want to fix this code later, but let's get VPS working first because there's a lot of inconsistencies going on here. So what we'll do is we'll get this to be deleted, and then we'll copy development. This should be marks, and then mark1 onlyrat to there. Yeah. Okay. All right. If I'm not tripping, that should work. Bash partition.sh. Okay. So now I can do onlyrat on our Actually, I don't think I need this extra one. Yeah, let's consolidate a little bit. Let's consolidate. All right. All right, yeah, we're consolidating. Okay, so this will be, we'll go into the concepts from here, and then we'll do notes. There you go. So we can access everything on one. From here, we need to actually, we run our, all right, so yeah, onlyrat, cosmo.rat. All right, and then, actually, hold on, wrong thing. Onlyrat tech s. What is the VPS user? Blue Cosmo. What's the IP address? 192.168.1. 122.3. The port is 22. Is the following correct? Y/n. Yes, that is correct. VPS parameters takes one positional argument, but 3 were given. VPS. This should be underscore maybe. VPS parameters. Do I need to move this function? Wait, why is there another VPS parameters? Oh! I see what happened. So comment that out. And then just use parameters, use parameters. Is that what the error was? Where's the parameters function? /param. Oh. Oh. So, are there two? This is on line 290. Huh. That is so weird. Okay. Wait, so what happened to the one I was just editing? Did you guys see that too? Am I tripping? There's something so goofy about this code. What the hell? I'm zooming all the way out, dude. I need to understand what I did wrong. Yeah, look at... That's the VPS stuff right there. What the hell? Ooh, sorry guys. What's the purpose of the script? To remotely access a computer, do remote code execution, remote connectivity, remote file upload and download. Why is that so weird? Okay, let me stop complaining about how bad my code is and just try to fix it. So here's the parameters function. And this is what was supposed to be running here. So parameters, and then parameters. Okay. And then we say, is the following correct, blah, blah, blah. If yes, confirm. So now we have our actual VPS parameters function. And this should go above everything else, right? 16J. I'm not tripping, right? Oop. Yeah, no, this function should be going above the other one. This is so weird, dude, guys. This is weird. So VPS parameters. Yeah, we'll just post it right here. Okay. And then that will be called by the setup VPS function. What is the VPS user? Blah, blah, blah. This should still be parameters. I don't know what keeps happening. Is the following correct? Confirm with the input header. If yes, do this. And then VPS parameters with the VPS port number. If not, it will just recursively start again. Okay, so then it gets called to VPS parameter reductions. Don't tell me this was it. Was this what was broken the whole time? All right, Vim 192.168.122.3, I believe. Yeah, and then the port should be 22. Yes, that is correct. Oh. Any tips for beginners? Yeah, watch my content. Yeah, but actually I wasn't playing that much. Yeah, it depends on what you want to do. If you're like an absolute beginner, I have a how to hack playlist. It'll take you from 0 to hero on pretty much all the fundamental stuff. And if you're into malware, then I would suggest checking out something like my malware development playlist. I think it's my most popular playlist, 37k views, which is crazy for a playlist. But yeah, this should help you get started with malware, I would say. But yeah, absolute beginner, I would suggest this one. Here, I'll drop this link. This will get you started. Okay, so we fixed that code. So read instructions carefully. Set up the VPS and edit the SSH file. Okay, so now we need to access the VPS, guys. This is progress. This is progress. Congrats on 12k. Yeah, I never did anything for 12k or 10k or anything like that. I'm sorry. Do you guys want like a Q&A or something? Let me know. Let me know what you want. I'll make a post. I'll just do that right now. We're streaming. There's no rush right now. We're streaming. Here, let's go on the channel. What does VPS stand for? VP stands for virtual private server. Oh, I just realized who that is. That's interesting. All right, get me ready, virtual private server. Text pool is fine. We hit 10k a while back. Now we're at 12. I wanted to do something to celebrate. Maybe a Q&A. Let me know. I'm actually gonna not make this. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna make it a text then. Take a weapon at 12k. When did you say celebrate? Maybe you can let me know. All right, cool. Okay, we need our VPS. Let's go. Control Shift E. All right. All right. So there, we're gonna need to actually wait. I literally have DirectX. I'm so stupid. Okay, let's move this. Oh, Shift 9. There you go. Okay. So read all instructions carefully. Set up the VPS. We're going to Vim because we're Supreme, etc. SSH. Ooh, config. Okay. So in here, it says change the following. Remove a hashtag for allow TCP forwarding and gateway ports. So / allow TCP. Why are neither of these concepts here? Should make a video on the new Ducky script? Yeah, I probably should. I asked Darren to send me a book. He never sent it to me. So, I don't know, man. Set the VPS. Because there's no hashtag in front of those, we're just gonna kind of add them. So hope for the best, right? Yeah. All right. Control-Shift-C, Control-Shift-V. Oh yeah, I forgot. I don't have that enabled on here. That's fine. Okay, we're going to allow TCP forwarding to yes, and then we want to do gateway ports to yes. Oh, I need sudo. I wish I knew that before I started that. Okay. Let's try this again. Allow TCP forwarding to yes, and then gateway ports to yes. See, why is this one not being recognized? Did this get like removed or something? You want to queue in there some sort of giveaway? Oh. What do you guys want? Like Hack 5 gear? I'm assuming the Hack 5 gear is probably the thing I want. Maybe some merchandise. I'll poke around. I'll poke around. Save changes. Alright, so. And then sudo service SSH restart. I'm very curious now. Hold on. I need to show my face for a second just so I don't leak my IP address. Because that would be bad. So. Okay. So if we vim etc ssh config. See, it has the same options, right? There's no comments for TCP forwarding or anything, right? Yeah. Huh. Okay. I just needed to see that. Anyway. Merch would be better to support the channel. That is true. That is true. Alright, so we did the SSH restart. And now we need to create our SSH key. Okay, so now we're generating our SSH key. So, set file name as key. So, file name key. Enter a passphrase, no passphrase. Enter the same passphrase again, no passphrase. Yes. And then the password to this machine. .3 is the VPS, so this is the password. Okay. Now try logging into the machine. SSH port 22 Blue Cosmo at .3, and make sure that the only keys were added. If the key's been generated, you can test it by running this, uploading the SSH key to the VPS. Okay, so we should be able to type in our password, and it's uploaded. The key has been uploaded. You may need to move the key to var www.html if you plan to use Apache 2 for your web server. Make your key readable by chmod plus R to the key, and then add Onlyrat to the web server on line 2 of installers from VPS.c. Okay. Did we fix it? You're lost. That's funny. Okay. All right. I think we fixed it, because like if we list our directory, key is right there. Y'all see that in that tiny ass font? Yeah, key. All right, there you go. So we fixed the code. Let's just see if the networking part works. So what we're gonna need to do is port that over to Alt0. Ooh. Over to Alt0. Okay, so we need to get clone. We need to make a web server. Do we have Python 3 on here? We do. Okay, so we're just going to make our web server right here. We're going to get clone https://github.com/cosmodium cs/mark01 onlyrat. Was that first try? First try? Yeah. All right. So now we have mark1 in here and we have the key in here. So let's cd into mark1 onlyrat, cd into installers, and then vim, nope, cd out of here, cd into payloads. Okay, and then vim the v2.ps1. Which one are we supposed to update? Make your key readable by chmod plus r on the read. I forgot to do that. Chmod plus r on the key on //key. There you go. Okay. And then now what we need to do is on your line 2 of payloads v1. So from VPS, that means we don't need to worry about this. On line 2 of payloads v1. Okay, so cd into onlyrat, and then cd into payloads. So nvim, actually cd out of here, cd into installers, and then vim from vps. That's cmd. Oh my gosh, nvim. I need to make the alias on okay. Bro, like I'd be like getting in a grind and I just like completely forget what I'm doing. We're getting a water break. Okay. Well, we fixed the main problem, and the problem was just my shit code. Because we had the function that the VPS setup was calling was like, there was like a double function. So it was calling two different functions with the same name that both occurred like after the original function call, if that makes sense. So I had to move all of that up and then rename one of the functions so that way it would work with the rest of the code. Yeah, I think that's what we did. Okay, now we have SSH, we have an SSH key, and now we just got to do the networking, right? Yeah, I guess so. All right. We modded the key, nice. Add onlyrat to the server, nice. Add the VPS IP address in here. So this is going to be, all right, change to the equal sign, because we're going to do 192.168.122.3. And that should be the, yeah. And this one doesn't use a Discord webhook. This one uses the VPS to transfer the files. Okay. http:// blah blah blah. And then we're going to need to modify this because this should be mark01 tag onlyrat payloads. Okay. So this file right here will get the target it will get, I can't, you know what, it doesn't matter. You guys will see what, you'll see what it does, because I can't think of English right now. So, after we did that, we can move this over to line, and let's see what we need to do here. So, in our payloads v1.smd, so this needs to be on the VPS, and this is the one you're deploying on the target. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. For you guys, it will be the same thing. So, Vim v2. Apple, what's up, dude? I haven't seen you in a little bit. Appreciate the donation. You're the person Cosmo talks to all the time. I think he likes you. Oh, does he? Man, I haven't seen the Apple in a little bit. I love the community names of fruits. Like, we have the apple, we got banana. There was a guy named the bread for a little bit. I think he disappeared though. I don't know if you can think of any more, but we've had quite a few. For apples and Chad. Okay, what were we doing? On line 2 of payloads v1 that, is this v1 that we need to do? Yeah, v1. So vim v1.cmd. Okay. Find capital X. Oh, find capital X. Change to quotes. Oh my gosh. I can't type as soon as I stream, I promise. This is not like a me thing. What the hell? Find equal sign, ampersand, there you go, or the letter A. Why can't I type? Oh, my numlock was off. Okay. Is my numlock on now? Okay. Oh my lord. 192.168.122.3. Okay. So 192.168.122.3. And is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. Search for Onlyrat real quick. Yeah, right here we're going to need to add a so slash Onlyrat and then add Marco 1 in there. Yeah. Okay. And then now we vim the 2 or v2, that PS1. Okay, and then this is where we put everything. Okay, so changing these quotes, we're going to do Blue Cosmo. Changing these quotes, we're going to do 192.168.1.3. Nope, sorry, dot 122.3. And then port 22. And then change default port. We're going to make this 2583. It's my favorite number. All right. Then start your web server when we finish that. So one more time, I'm going to search for Onlyrat real quick. Oh no, this is just the installation file. Okay, guys, I think that's it, right? So Python 3 techm http.server 80, because we want it on permission denied sudo. Okay, cool. So in our virtual machine, we should be able to open up a browser. Let's do some quick testing. http://192.168.1.122. Oh my god, 3. Okay, nice. Okay, the one thing is our server is running in the wrong directory. We need to go 2 directories out. Yep, there you go. So we can run our server again, and now on our target machine we can actually do the from vps.cmd. Did that work? They kind of just closed our That's interesting. This part was supposed to be automated, I'm pretty sure. That's fine, let's just see if this works. Cosmo.rat. I think that worked. I think the file also self-deleted. Yeah, it did. Okay, so let's just hope it worked. I probably should have removed that functionality from the code, but I honestly just forgot it was there. Cosmo.rat, no way. Cat Cosmo.rat. Okay, hold on. I think the code actually works now, or is damn close to it. Here, I have a Cosmo here. Fuck Cosmo, and then don't fuck Cosmo. You guys know what I mean. SCP Tech R, blue Cosmo at 192.168.122.3 colon. Home / Cosmo.rat. Actually, I'm pretty sure this functionality is built into Onlyrat for you, right? Onlyrat tech H. Download rat config file. Yeah. Let's test that out. Onlyrat tech D. Blue Cosmo. What's the VPS IP address? 192.168.122.3. What's the port? 22. Yes. Malware. Yep. Okay. So that works too. So let's do only rat on Cosmo.rat. Clear. Help. So if we look at the config, the connection is set to remote. So if we do or console, bruh, why is it not working? Oh, all that work. Netstat. Bro, me too. That's funny. What does the fuck command do in Linux again? It's not a real command here. rmtechrf. Right under is the please proceed on. Bro. Okay. So like it works but it doesn't, you know what I mean? Cause the server works, all like the network like connectivity works. It's just like the actual part of the routing doesn't work. Did you guys see that? Like I'm not tripping, you know, like this. I got the code to work. It's like the code works now, but the networking doesn't work. I think something might be wrong with the clients, not client side, I guess. The target side, which I guess is the client side. But the target side SSH program is supposed to make a connection to our VPS. Right? Alright, let's figure this out. Guys. Quick water break before we dive back into it. I hope you guys enjoyed that Barry Wood flash. If you saw it, you saw it. If you didn't, you didn't. Please have Cosmos a complete wild command. Yeah, it is. Alright, back to the grind. The sticker, yeah. I'm glad you saw that. It was for you, Matu. Alright, CD into Onlyrat. What do you mean? What do you mean LS is not a command? CD is not a command? Did I type that in wrong? Okay. You know what? I don't even want to know what happened, what went wrong there. We're going into installers. No, we're not going to installers. We're going to payloads. And then, so if we look at v1.cmd, let's look at this code together, guys. In a really crappy Ubuntu server with no proper syntax highlighting, just straight defaults, man. Your flag is cool, thank you. How come he gets a sticker but I don't get one? It's an unfair world we live in. 192.168.122.3. It basically, this whole middle chunk is just getting admin permissions. So you can ignore everything like from here and up. Like that's all just getting admin perms. So then at the end we're doing PowerShell, that window style hidden. We're getting our Mark 1 Onlyrat payloads v2, outputting it to some random app data row in Microsoft Startup, and then add preference exclusion path to temporary, window style hidden, and then bypass. Okay. This is such a goofy server, dude. Alright, b2.ps1. What's going on here? So, doing the same thing, Blue Cosmo, 192.168.1.22.3. Port 22, port 2583. Oh! Is that the error I made? Because I changed the port number? Does the port number get... Is the port number pre-configured in the target somehow? No. Because it should be the same as the one in the config, right? Only rat cosmo.rat config port 2583. Could someone explain it in silly girl terminology? Alright, so that's the random generator that creates the Onlyrat account. This whole thing, from the bottom down, is the same exact thing as the GitHub installation. You took a picture? Put it in the server, please. Put in the server. I don't know if I'm allowed to share in the Discord server. Put it in memes. You're fine. You have my permission. You have the admin's permission. What more permission do you need? Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. All right. Control down. Yeah, so this right here is the most important part. Oh, that means it's in our startup directory. That literally means it's in our startup directory. Right here. BWX UBD. Wait, so if I run this. Okay. Hold on. Open up open what was that weird thing you said? Control Shift Escape or something like that? There you go. I just want to see if it's running. What's it called? BWX? I don't know, man. If we just ran that and our OR console command doesn't work right now, connection refused. Why? Hey, you took a photo of it? This is awesome, dude. You guys need to join the Discord. The Discord's amazing. Alright. Alright. Anyway, if you're on the Discord, you know. If you're not on the Discord, I guess you guys just can't know, you know. You gotta gatekeep. Port 2583 refused. Okay, let's do this. Let's just copy this path right here. And let's go to this old thing. Wait. Key not accessible. Where'd the key go? Where did the key go? The key should be in temp. It's probably just like some random like where did the key get saved? Did we even save it? You know, as much as I love programming, okay. PowerShell.exe bypass SSH alive interval 30 tech R $y whatever, which is the I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what that is. What's the $? Is that YL? Y1? / key. Oh, the key's in environment temp. Invoke web request tech URI HTTP onlyrat.key. Oh, that's why it's not working. What were we told to name it? What do the instructions say to name it? Set the file name as key. This program does not set the file name as key. It says as onlyrat.key. Change to actually CF period. Actually, hold on. CF. No. DF. Oh my god. DF period. There you go. So we need to get the yeah, okay, hold on. So CD out of here, get clone. We're gonna need to do this again. I just hope it's not that far up in my history. Oh yes, go. Let's go. Alright, CD into Onlyrat. Payloads. Alright, we're gonna do Vim. Actually, no, it should be in installers this time. And then nvim, and then we're going to modify the what's the name of the file? What's the name of the file? What's the name of the file? From VPS. That's what the name of the file is. What's up, Sysgerm? Any chance we get another AI moment? UAI for help and see if we get the answer to your questions. Oh yeah, bro. I have like a vengeance against like ChatGPT and for programming, bro. Like I have a whole vendetta. All right, let's first of all, let's not have this self-delete. First of all, second of all, let's change. So here, and we're going to do 192.168.1.122.3. I keep doing that. And then we need to go to the end of this program, and then mark tech 01 Onlyrat. Okay, and that should work. // from VPS. And so if we run this, it will work, hopefully. SSH key for VPS. Done. So yeah, right now we're just, I guess I don't really need to do the little check marks, so I'm just marking this done. So SSH rounding, that's what we're doing right now. And I think we fixed it because it's the onlyrat.key. Real quick before we keep going, let's go back to our notes real quick. Actually, we'll go to our to-do list. So fix scripts. All right. So we need to fix the pass in all key files. So we got from from GitHub, from VPS, and then we have G1, G2, V1, V2, and then install and main. So we need to fix the pass in all the key files, and then mainly URL for the Mark 1 and why Vendetta. We were trying to, me and my friend Hayes, he's one of the devs on the team, we were trying to build like a, what they call it, monoalphabetic substitution cipher type thing. It's for Skeleton Key. If you haven't seen the project, check it out. But basically, GPT was just writing dog water level code, and it was just bad trying to have it help us on this project. So we just ended up having to like actually code it ourselves. I know, it's pretty crazy. We should find an easier way to automate how you get a key and where you keep it, etc. Very true. If my code worked, then we wouldn't have to worry too much about that. Oh, the key name. Don't forget about the key name. Key name. I don't think I meant to do that. URL for Mark 1. Key name. Is there anything else that we had to change that was of significant value or importance? Default port to fave number, because we like to have fun. Okay, so that will be next on our to do. So once we finish this, we'll get started on all that stuff. You know what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to make my life easier later. You probably don't know what I'm doing right now, but don't worry about it. We'll worry about it later. Okay. So SSH routing. Let's finish the SSH routing. Awesome. The man who creates a better course material than my cybersecurity class instructors is live streaming. What's up? I'm glad the material has been satisfactory. Okay. I think we're good, guys. I think we're good. I think that should work. Let's go ahead and CD back into our home and run our Python with sudo, and we're going to need to do tech-m http.server on port 80. Okay, and type in the password. Boom. Okay. And yeah, so when I run this, it should just magically work. You guys see the files going into the startup directory? I guess we'll just kind of wait, you know? Oh? So we can actually delete this file too, because we don't need it. Oh, the SSH key is here. Yes! Oh, that took a long ass time. Okay, so we have the SSH key now. Claps in the chat, by the way. Claps in the chat. We're getting progress. I need motivation. Okay, key is in the directory. The startup is here. So if we go over here, clear, and let's go ahead and or console. Connection refused. Don't worry about it, man. I'm not even mad about it or anything. My only question is why? Why is it not working? Maybe we need a new port because of a reason? I honestly don't know. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, I know why it's not working. Hold on. Config Onlyrat techd Google Cosmo 192.168.122.3. Port is 22. That's correct. Okay, Onlyrat on the new Cosmo.rat file or console. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. What's going on in here? Shouldn't that not? Why didn't that work? 444 not found. Onlyrat.key? Why is it trying to get onlyrat.key? Vim. What? I thought we fixed the code. Where's it getting the onlyrat.key from? We fixed the code. CD into Marco 1, payloads, Vim into v1.cmd. Did we not fix this? We did. These are only 2 files it's using. Onlyrat. Onlyrat? Where did they get onlyrat.key from? Is that from the old one? Or VPS.cmd? Oh no, this is the second time round. Right? Add MP preference. Man, what the hell, man? Alright, Marco 1, onlyrat, v1.cmd. Then we check the Vim to the v1. What's up, Banana? He's going to start slowly going mad from this point on. You're exactly correct. I'm already going mad. I'm going insane. I'm going dumb. Okay, I'm honestly genuinely confused because we have the key. Can we SSH with the key? SSH to 192 or SSH Blue Cosmo at 192.168.1. Oh my god, that 122.3. Tech I $ environment key. Oh, $ environment temp / key. That's how you do it. Boom! It freaking works, dude. What the hell? Where's it going wrong? Like, what part of this program is not working? Because that worked. You can access the... Oh yeah, hold on. What's the route command? How do you do the routing? Vim into the v2. So you get the key. So SSH alive interval. Here, it's in CD into onlyrat. To payloads, cat v2, okay, so let's work on this. This should be port 22. And then we're doing only, or blue Cosmo at 192.168.122.3. And then we're doing tag I for the environment key. And then we're routing it. What's cry? Oh wait, no, I'm not looking at the right thing anymore. Yeah, that's not the right thing. That's SCP, not SSH. I'm being so stupid right now. All right, step 2. So SSH alive interval. There you go. So yeah, we're forwarding Onlyrat. Is that supposed to be a colon? Pretty sure it's supposed to be an @ sign, right? Or is it? Oh my god. Now we have to do research. SSH routing. So you do the outward port. So that's not the username at all. So this is supposed to be 2583 colon localhost colon 22. And then what's DER? Oh my god, dude. DER is the VPS at host. So this should be the blue Cosmo at 192.168.122.3. Okay. And then if you or console that worked. What? No, that didn't. Why didn't? Ah, my gosh. Forwarding failed for port 2583. So it's being used? Okay. Okay. You know what? Exit. Instead of port 2583, let's do port. It's a good one. 1337. Okay. And then that means if we exit this, vim our cosmo.rat, and then change this to 1337. Okay. So now that means if we, what's it called? Onlyrat cosmo.rat, then or console. What do you mean port refused? Why? Why is it refused? Let's see. Config SSH TAC port 1337 at Onlyrat 192.168.122.3. Connection refused. It should be forwarding only rat over that port. Not sure that when you tested your thing, you actually wrote environment, but now you're writing env. It's an environment variable, so I don't know if it doesn't matter too much. Did I write out environment somewhere? Alright, we're taking 5. We gotta step back. We gotta think about this. So, the issue is... Okay, let me think about this right. So the code works, right? The whole process works. It will establish the SSH connection on machine A. Oh, I wonder if it's an issue with the routing. Well, I mean, obviously. Have you checked any other settings or factors that might be blocking your connection? That's what I'm thinking about right now. Because both of those ports were refused. On the virtual machine, did it say... Because like with this time, it said, warning, remote port forwarding failed due to failed for listen port 2583. But the second time, it didn't give any warning to error. I mean, maybe, dude, maybe. You know when all else fails? Alright, let's try this. So, how to enable port forwarding / routing for open SSH. Yep, etc. config, allow TCP forwarding. Yeah, I did that. Restarted it, I did that. Tech L. Why is it Tech L? You know what? I'm not gonna ask questions. If it says it's Tech L, maybe it's Tech L. Oh my God. Connection refused. And if we check this, like Vim, extra SSH, the GPT's coming out. Yep. Allow TCP forwarding in gateway ports. After making changes to configuration, restart the SSH daemon. That's what I did. You can now use the TechL option with the SSH command to set a local port forwarding, for example, forward local port to a remote server. That's what we did there, right? 1337. To enable the server to access router, you need to enable IP forwarding. Maybe this will do it. And then set IP forward to 1. Okay, let's try this. We need to do this on this machine, I believe. Oh shit, let's just drop this over there. Alright, so sudo nano etc sysctl.config IP underscore, ooh. Oh shit. Save my buffer. No. Yeah, let's use Vim because I'm too used to that. And there you go. Okay. So slash IP forward. Oh, there it is. Yeah. IP forward. Okay. So I'll come with this. Save that. And then sudo sys ctl tech p. Okay. Let's try this. Let's see if that works. Oh my god, dude. I'm very confused. Configure IP tools. What's our if config? What's our thing? enp1s0. You know what? Freak it, dude. Sudo IP tables tech a forward tech I enp1s. Whoops. Let's going to do this. enp1s0 tech O. I think it's the same thing. enp1s0 tech J. Accept. Okay, let's see how. Stream for like 2 hours. If you think this is a long time, bro, you should see my competitive hacking days, man. Those were like some 6-hour streams. Okay, exit. Let's go try back to the tech R. I know that sense didn't make any sense, but it's okay. Man. Oh, dude, I don't know what's going wrong. SSH tech R. That's what we're running, right? SSH, we have the server live tech R for our port. You know what? Let me restart SSH on the Linux machine. Where the heck did my virtual machine? Why is it over here? You know what? It doesn't matter. Sudo service SSH restart. Okay. Let's bring you back to ocean 9. Okay. So it's trying 1337, localhost 4022. And then let's add these random ass arguments. Because who knows? Maybe they're what I've been missing this whole time. Whoops. Tag N, tag F. Host, tag I. Okay, it's taking longer to do what it normally does, so maybe it's a good sign. Okay. So if we... Bro, why is the connection refused? Okay. This command is just hanging. All right. Well, it's been 119 minutes by the time you read my message. Hopefully, it'll be 120 plus minutes. Yeah, dude, I don't... It's supposed to just kind of like work, you know? But what the hell? All right, we're just closing this terminal. Let's copy this. So let's get rid of the server live interval for now. Let's even change the port. We'll do 1338. It's the new lead. It's Leeb. Leeb speak. All right. Then we forward it with Cosmo at 192.168.122.3. And then we're using that SSH key for authentication. What does that tech N do? In the meantime, that's it. Yeah, no, that's 100% right, bouncy people. SSH tag H. What's that tag N for? Man, SSH / do not execute a remote command. This is useful for just forwarding ports. Refer to the description. Oh, interesting. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Oh my gosh. The terminal just hangs. I'm slamming my Control C right now. All right. Let's go back to it. What's this tech F for? /-F for config file. That's probably what's breaking it. We don't have no config file. All right, let's get rid of these. We're going back to this. Okay. Forwarding failed for port 3337. Okay, let's try 1338. Failed for port 1338. Okay. What about, wait for it guys, port 1339? Did it fail? No? Okay. So if we go in SSH on port 1339 now. Oh my gosh. Okay, it has to be 1738. Oh, that's funny. I'll try the port next, but I actually think there might be something with like UFW. UFW disable. Which is sudo. Yeah. Reboot. No firewall. Firewall is for the weak. How can you contact us? Discord. Alright, let's try this. Luke Cosmo. Passwords. The password is the password for the clarification. Okay. Now, I don't think we actually need to do anything on that end of the spectrum. Let's Control D. Let's run this guy again. 1339. 1339. Oh my god. People think hacking is like some fast-paced, highly, you know, chugging down Red Bull, 18 terminals on the screen, 3D graphics. Reality, you're just waiting for your nNAP scan to finish, or you're just slamming your head into a table trying to figure out why you're so bad at networking. Oh my god. I'm super tired. Yeah, I feel you. I'm gonna stay, have fun, and stream. I'll watch, but I missed share. No worries. Don't share your IP or do something dumb. I will make the effort to. That's why I'm doing this in a VM, because I don't need. All right, let's talk out loud. I feel like talking out loud helps me to like discover what issue or problem I could be bumping into. Water break. I'll point the bottle this way so YouTube doesn't cancel me. Firewall is not blocking the connection? That's why I was wondering too. Like sudo UFW status. Inactive. Where? Exit. Recently, How long do you think it will be before you realize this isn't really a stream and we are just made of people in this head? Don't scare me like that. Recently tackled subnetting. Worst days of my life. Yeah, I don't doubt it. Not with putty. SSH routing, Windows to Linux. Hold on. SSH routing, Windows. Wind blows. All right. Start service. Okay, yeah, so we already have SSH on the thing. How to connect a remote Windows computer via SSH. Oh my god. Control F. I didn't open up this article to see what SSH was. I just needed to see how to use SSH to remotely connect. No. Get started. Enable blah blah blah. I think Zed Security has a video on this. Z Security SSH route. Okay.
Hello everyone, Zed from Zed Security here.
What's up, Zed? Alright, I just need your code, man. That's all I need. Let's get through this. localhost.run. Okay. So SSH, tech R, you're forwarding. Why is he forwarding port 80 to port 80? Oh, no, never mind. I understand what he's doing. We went through a lot of troubleshooting though. No tables, different ports, changing the SSH commands, disabling the firewalls. Breakthrough is coming. I'm saying, I hope so. Just give me the code and nobody gets hurt. That's what I'm saying, man. So SSH, let me just do the simple one, right? SSH TAC R, we're going to forward 1738 to the local host of our current port 22 instance of SSH running. Then this will be forwarded to Blue Cosmo. Maybe we don't add the user. Maybe we just do the IP 192.168.122.3. Okay, it's asking us for the password, which is why we do a tag I for a $ environment temp/key. Oh yeah, so we do need a user there. So Blue Cosmo. All right, nothing apparently wrong went down. So if we go over here, if we SSH into Blue Cosmo at 192.168.122.3, this is our normal SSH. This is just ask us for the password of the machine and give us access. Okay, so now if we try to do Onlyrat at this, yeah, and then we need tech port 1738. Connection refused. Nmap. Nmap. Tech port 1738 on 192.168.122.3. Closed. Why? Let's ask GPT. I feel like GPT is doing this. No. Where the hell is my browser? There it is. I have been trying to use SSH routing, but it no working. I added these to the /etc ssh config, and then let's grab the why I'm saying, bro, this is pissing me off. So what did we add to the VPS instructions? This stuff right here. Go +y. Alright, and then paste that in here. So we added those two to the SSH config. I even finished my question, dude. Let me finish this. But no work. I added this SSH config, and when I route from my Windows machine to the server via this command. So let's find the command we've been using, which is right here. Okay, and then the last thing I'm using is, and then I try to connect from a different device via where's that command we run? Okay, and then we go ahead, pop that in here. Let's make sure we're using the same. There you go, 1738. Make sure it's configured like this. It is. But let's double check, because you know the universe doesn't like us right now. So we're going to go over here, and then we'll push this over yonder. So it's asking if we did this right. So sudo vim etc ssh dconfig. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. Was I editing the wrong config? Is that a different config? There's one file called ssh config, and there's another file called sshd config. Have I been using the wrong one? I think I have. L's in the chat. Straight L's. No clapping. L's in the chat. Alright. Maybe we figured out what the error has been. I swear, if someone noticed that and has just been watching this whole time, like in the future, Like, you imagine? I feel so bad for that viewer. That one viewer who's like a networking Chad. Freaking Network Chuck watches my stream. He's just like, dude, what the hell's wrong with you? Alright, let's see if this is the error. Let's see if this is what went wrong this whole time. Alright. Vim. Okay, so first of all, we can go back here. Where's our... That's SSHD. Where's SSH? Go down here. Get rid of this. Alright. Now we can go to SSHD config. Oh my god. Okay, so is there... Oh, there is a TCP forwarding right here. Yeah, TCP forwarding gateway ports. Alright, so TCP forwarding, uncommon. This should be yes. And then gate. And the gateway ports should delete to be yes. Let me make sure I put that in my Obsidian real quick. SSHD config. Okay. Alright, let's keep going. I think that was, if that's the error, man, I'm actually gonna cry off camera. Alright, sudo service SSH restart. Alright, we're restarting. Restart that SSH. Oh my god. Alright. Exit. Alright, so if we try to route over 1738. Okay. Then let's go over here. 1738. No way, dude. What? Yes. Oh my god. Malware or whatever the fucking password is for the config. It works. It fucking works. We have spent a flippin' hour, maybe an hour and some change, because of the wrong config file. Why? Who did that? Who put SSH and SSHD in the same directory? Subscribe. Subscribe is the password. Subscribe is the password. Thank you. Oh no, I think it got reset. Because we installed Onlyrat again. Yeah. Onlyrat. Cosmo.rat. Config. Yeah, that's a new password. Oh my god. WVGYZ. There you go. And there you go. Over a VPS, you can remotely access the target computer. Oh my god. Oh, you guys can't see my screen. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. See this, dude? You can access the computer now. Here, look. If we go to CD out of here into Cosmo, echo your mom into click me .text. And now if we go over to the virtual machine and go on the desktop, yeah, there's a lot of stuff open. Oh, let me view, show desktop icons. Oh, I think I made it in their home directory. Hold on. Yeah. Move click me into, whoops. Move click me into desktop. There you go. Yep. Click me. Oh my gosh, now you have remote access. Okay, you know what? We're taking a second. I'm so pissed. I am so pissed. The entire... Let's finish this off. Let's finish the job. Okay? We came ready to do a job. Gonna get it done. Okay, so... I'm curious, was that in the... Is that in the, like, Onlyrat script? Did it tell us to do that? Like, did I just mess it up, or was my old code messed up? No, it says SSHD right there. Oh my god. We lost you for a sec. Okay. Let me recuperate. You guys, you gotta understand how mad I am about that. Oh man, dude, we could have been done with this. All right, let's finish this. Let's finish the job. Get rid of this click me, and we don't need task manager anymore, or process hacker, or whatever that is. Okay. Well, we fixed SSH routing, so I guess we can mark that off. All right, time to fix all the code, because now that we know it actually does work. Here, let's go here, and we'll fix the code in here. So everything from this point on should be correct. Remove the hashtag and change the following. Save, restart. Yeah, everything else in here works, which is good. Okay. And we can delete this. Okay. Oh, then made up high actually. So project files. Let's go to oh, actually v1.cmd. Okay. We'll just do main.py and add this. Okay, cool. And then menu, and then we're going to add v2.ps1. All right. Whoa. So let's go ahead and finish the job. So you put your IP address in there. Everything else should be fine. Invoke web request URL /mark 01 tech onlyrat. And then payloads v2.ps1. Add MP preference, exclusion path, startup, environment temp. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. Over here, we'll keep 2583 as the default, and then we need to change. Let me keep track of my Obsidian while I'm doing this. So we fixed the main, fixed v1. Okay. PowerShell, tech O, save alive, tech R is this weird variable name. What is this variable name? This should be the port number. It's up here. Yep, okay, cool. All right, and then localhost 22. Then this should be, this DR should be our user at host, which this looks like it is. Yep. And then tech I for the key. Okay, perfect. Then we do onlyrat.rat. Disconnected, remote. Okay, so right here, we need to change time period. All right, so it's just /key. Yeah, all right, perfect. And then upload it to home / the username, right? Because the username is NKOW. Last I checked. Yep, okay. Nice. Nice. And then it does a cleanup. Okay, write all of that code. So that's the v1 done and dusted, and that's all the paths in there done. Oops. Okay, so, oh no, that was the v2. Okay, the v2 is done. I'm literally just going to double check. So key/key looks right, and then it should be /mark1 onlyrat if we have that /onlyrat. Did we do that anywhere? Onlyrat. Okay, we only mentioned it twice. So it looks like everything else is, yeah, HTTP/key. Nice. Okay, yeah, this should work, guys. Install that sh. So make sure so it CDs out of that install directory. Move mark1 onlyrat if you cloned it properly to home/.onlyrat. Okay. So vim the readme, and then this should be git clone that perfectly, yeah, and then you see into mark01 onlyrat bash install sh. Okay, good progress, guys, good progress. Okay, so if we check the this thing, we don't need to worry about these two because those two work. From VPS, we'll have to fix these two in a second. We just fixed the installation script, and I think we got all the paths. URL for the mark1. The key name I think is fixed in the main now. If we go into here, this should be onlyrat. Right here, search up for key. Set file name as key. Yep. Okay. So we can cross that off the list. Default port to favorite number, we just did that. Oh, but we need to set that up in the from VPS code. So let's go ahead, get rid of these two. We'll do install and then the from vps.cmd. All right, so in here, yeah, so find /onlyrat. Yeah, so we need to do mark01. Oh, it's mark01. Set onlyrat. Okay, if that's the case, we need to make sure when we git clone it, yeah, we're going to have it be lowercase when it installs it, just so it works with everything. Okay. So that's good. All right, so that works. And then, so // only rat. Users only rat. Okay. So I think that should do it for the front VPS. the SSHD config. Yeah, we made sure to specify that it was indeed SSHD. Default port is set properly. Let's, yep. So the only thing we need now is from GitHub. Just to double check that one. So we'll go to all3, Alt-M, find GitHub.cmd. All right, and then this one should be fine. Yeah, the one thing is, let's go to / yeah, and then do mark 01. There you go. All right. Oh, oops, there you go. All right, and that should do it. So we fixed the scripts. Done. Okay, so let's just see if this worked, and then we'll hopefully be done for today. We can just push everything up, and then I can make a video on how to do all this. So let's start from scratch. We're just going to RM check RF all this, and then we won't need this. We won't need this. Yeah, and then yeah, let's just restart from scratch because that's I only. Yep. Okay. CD out of here. Out of here. Explorer. Oops. Explorer. This current directory. We'll delete the Onlyrat directories. Okay. And then what we'll do is we'll leave these up so that way we can see everything. So this key file we're going to delete. This other stuff we're just going to delete. Oh, whoops, I did not mean to delete DW. Just this one. Okay. Nice. Okay. We're doing good, guys. We're doing good. We're almost done. So let's just do the good old git clone. Yeah, git clone. Let's do it as, just so it's easier, SSH into Mark 01, Onlyrat. I get. Okay. So clone it into the repository. Then CD into Mark 1. CD into installers. Vim the from VPS. Whoops. And Vim from VPS. Then we're going to change to the quotes. And we're going to do 192.168.122.3. Okay. And then actually real quick, and then just so we don't have to worry about it self-deleting, we'll go to the end, delete that. Okay. So recat the VPS. Should work. Nice. All right. So that's all we needed on that end until we run it. Now let's set up the server. So if we list, there's nothing here. So we can go to our terminal, save this. Oh, wait a second. Actually, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. And yeah, let's update the code real quick. I'm gonna update initial VPS code fix. I'm not gonna show this part for a second. Let's make sure. And token, Cosmodium, CS, Mark 01. I know you guys can't see my screen. This is purposeful. Okay. Nice. All right. Now you guys can see my screen again. All right. So that should be all set up. So if we actually were to go to GitHub, whoops, wrong GitHub. Mark 1, initial VPS code fix. Okay, so if we go ahead and let's list, we have our Cosmo.rat right there. We actually forget about Cosmo.rat right there. So if we do Onlyrat tech help, it's going to ask us how to set up our VPS, and that's the instruction right there, tech S. So we'll do Onlyrat tech S. What is the VPS user? So we'll do blue Cosmo. IP address is 192.168.122.3. The port is 22. Yes, that is correct. All right, so read all instructions carefully. So you're going to modify this code right here. I think I added the sudo there, did I not? Vim main.py. Real quick, where it says nano. Oh, I know why it's not updated. Yeah. Real quick. Ooh. Okay, let's Vim. Actually, no, we don't need a Vim. So bash partition.sh, so it updates our own code base. Yo, what's up? I haven't heard from you in a minute, man. How you doing? All right, and Onlyrat tech S. So blue Cosmo 192.168.122.3. The port is 22. Yes, that is correct. All right, so now it's saying to set up and edit blah blah blah. So if we were to do sudo vim etc sshd config and typed in our password, then you'll see that we have allow TCP forwarding on, which is allow TCP forwarding is on, and gateway ports is also on. Okay, so we can continue and then do a sudo service ssh restart. I'm just doing all the steps over again just to make sure everything works from scratch. Now we're creating our SSH key. So we're going to call it key. Yes, overwrite this key. Password is going to be none, no password. And then the service password. The key has been generated. You can type this in, blah, blah, blah. Upload it to the server. Good. So the key has been uploaded. You may need to move the key. If you're using Apache 2, we'll be using Python. So make your key readable. So if we check our virtual private server, we can see the keys now here. chmod plus r key. Okay. And then we git clone the Onlyrat project. So git clone https://github.com/cosmodium cs/mark01 Onlyrat. Git. I'm good, thanks. How about you? Doing good, man. Spent 2 hours fighting SSH because I was editing the wrong config file, so that was a blast. All right, so we pulled that down. So now if we can skip this because that's already on our target computer, and then we can go straight to the payload. So vim installers vim mark installers and then v1. No, sorry. Payloads v1.cmd. Okay. So find equals, change to x. Oops. And then we'll put the IP address here, 192.168.1.122.3. What the hell? Change to quotes. You know, 192.168.122.3. I don't know why this server does not like my numpad at all. All right, so that's good. And then we can go and do v2.ps1. All right, and then changing these quotes for blue Cosmo. Changing these quotes for 192.168. Oh my God. Changing these quotes, 192.168.122.3. Okay, that default port is fine, and 2583 is also fine with me. Okay, and that should be it. And we can save out of this. And then now we can do sudo python 3 tech http.server on port 80. Okay, and now, if we've done everything right, if we've followed through the instructions, fixed our code, if we run our installation script, Onlyrat will install properly. So, fingers crossed, let's try. Good luck trying to catch sleep. Wish I could cut early, but no worries at all. I'll catch you soon. Stay blessed. Okay, so // from vps.cmd. Okay, we're looking. I don't see anything happening. Did we set that up right? Oh, my from VPS installer is out of date, isn't it? Yep. As long as this one's fixed on the repo, it's fine. Mark 01 tech Onlyrat. There you go. That's all good. This will still work. Hold on. Because as long as it's good on the repo, because the one on the virtual machine is probably out of date. Yes, it is. Okay, we're good. Attempt 2. This is the real attempt. Wait, nope, that's the wrong command. Okay, hold on. Let me actually pay attention to what I'm doing. There you go. Okay, let's watch this go through. Let's go a little small. Go full screen. All right, you see all the files moving around. Are we in the right config file this time? I'm saying. I hope so, man. Okay. The key is here. We have this file here. So let's try to connect. You can see all the requests were made from our target to our web server. So if we do Onlyrat tech download, so we'll do blue Cosmo 192.168.1.22.3. It's like instinct to do .1, you know. 22. Yes. Okay. So if we list, we have Cosmo.rat. So we do Onlyrat Cosmo.rat or console. Why didn't that work? Oh my God, why didn't that work? Why the hell did that not work? Config, hold on, Onlyrat, Cosmo.rat. I'm figuring this out right now. Config, File does not exist. What? Oh, I see what happened. Marks CD into Onlyrat. There you go. Okay. Exit SSH tech port 2583. Bro, I know. This is so sad. I know. Onlyrat at 192.168.122.3. Why is it working here? Yes. Oh, wait a second. Fix or console. What do you mean fix or console is not found in the payloads? Oh my god. Vim main.py. Oh my god. Hold on. Quit. I'm still on Onlyrat. Vim main.py $% / mark. Hold on. Dot mark 01. If that's what we put in here, then vim install .sh. Then we're just going to move it to mark 01 Onlyrat. And then move all those contents into mark 01 Onlyrat. Armtech RF mark 01 Onlyrat. CD into dot mark 1 Onlyrat. Alright, and then Onlyrat. Okay. Alright. Then the partition file, because now we're going to need to do this by period mark 01. All right, hold on. I'm close, guys. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. We're figuring this out together. Trust me, I'm just as annoyed as you are. All right, that should fix that. So bash partition, and now if we do Onlyrat cosmo.rat, econch vim onlyrat by period mark only one. Okay. There you go. Okay. There you go. Okay, so now if we do fix, why can't I see anything? Fix or console. EWAJ. Oh, it works. You just have to do the fix or console first, dude. We need to rename that command to like new connection. But that works. Yeah. Okay. Holy shit. So if you do Onlyrat, console.rat, or console, there you go. So we CD onto Cosmo desktop. echo sub to hi dot text. Now if we go over there, you guys can see hi dot text with sub in it. Nice. Okay. So VPS actually does work, which is nice. The only issue was the what do you call it? What was the issue again? File names and fix what do you call it? The fix or console command. This is what I'm going to do. Because now that it works, we'll just do bim main.py. Changing these, we'll call this a knit. Initial lies new connection. Nice. Okay. And then where we find fix or console. So if the option is this, to have some backwards support or whatever, because I know some people want to see the old video. So or option is equal to init. Do this. All right, mn update official VPS fix. All right, there you go. It works. That resolution was a lot more sad than happy. It was a war out here today. A lot of battles for fun. Dude, I don't know. That pissed me off. Missing up that config file. Not the move. Alright. But the code works now. It's on GitHub now. We can turn all this stuff off. But yeah. It's done. What's done is done. Yeah, dude, that was a war. That was World War III on Onlyrat. And the code base is still kind of like really cruddy. Like, I want to kind of like, I simultaneously want to make this project better and never want to touch it again at the same time. And that's the conflict, the internal conflict I'm going through right now. So we'll have to decide. But you have been watching long enough. It's been 3 hours. Shout out to any of y'all who sit through this whole thing. But Onlyrat has the VPS code working now. So yay, good job, yay. So yeah, that's awesome. Anyways, that's enough of me talking. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. So stay happy, stay positive. As always, happy hacking.